If you're over 60 and notice your body changing, arms not quite as steady, steps not quite as quick, you are not alone. Every year after midlife, muscle quietly slips away. Yet hidden in the simplest vegetables is the power to bring it back. At Seniors Health Guide, we've spent years studying the foods that keep older adults strong, steady, and independent. Forget expensive supplements or gym memberships. The tools of renewal grow right in the garden. We'll explore 10 everyday vegetables that science shows can rebuild muscle, restore energy, and extend vitality long after 60. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, begins slowly, about 1% per year after 50. It happens because our cells produce fewer growth signals and our digestion extracts less protein. But research from the National Institute on Aging proves that nutrition can flip those signals back on. Vegetables rich in plant-based amino acids, magnesium, and natural nitrates feed mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside muscle cells. When those cells wake up, balance improves, metabolism rises, and daily tasks feel easy again. Keep that picture in mind as we travel through our 10 foods of renewal. Vegetable number 1. Spinach, for blood flow and energy. Spinach is the green engine of recovery. Each handful carries nitrates that widen blood vessels, bathing tired muscles in oxygen and nutrients. A 2019 Journal of Nutrition study found seniors who ate spinach daily gained more leg strength in just 12 weeks. Steam it lightly, 2 to 3 minutes, to preserve those nitrates. Pair it with a source of vitamin C like a squeeze of lemon. This combination makes the iron in spinach easier to absorb. After a week of consistent servings, many people notice climbing stairs feels smoother, their hands steadier. It's not magic, it's circulation restored. Vegetable number 2. Kale, for calcium and framework strength. Kale gives structure to strength. Half a bunch provides more calcium than a glass of milk and an abundance of vitamin K, which helps that calcium bind to bone. When bones stay dense, muscles have something solid to pull against. Massage the leaves with olive oil before cooking. This softens the tough fibers and increases nutrient uptake. A quick sauté with garlic creates a meal that tastes earthy and alive. In regions of Japan where people often live past 100, locals eat a kale relative almost every day. Their balance and leg power at 80 rival that of many 60-year-olds elsewhere. Vegetable number 3. Lentils, for protein and repair. Technically a legume but nutritionally a vegetable hero, lentils offer the most affordable muscle-building protein on earth, about 18 grams per cup. They supply lysine, an amino acid vital for tissue repair. Boil 3/4 of a cup with a pinch of turmeric to calm inflammation. Combine with diced carrots and kale for a complete meal that fuels recovery for hours. Studies from the University of Toronto show that older adults who replaced red meat with lentils and beans retained more lean mass and improved cholesterol within 8 weeks. Simple, powerful, plant-based repair. Vegetable number 4. Green peas, for circulation and steady energy. Don't underestimate the pea. Its sweetness hides a compound called arginine, which opens blood vessels and delivers nutrients straight into muscle tissue. A single cup gives 8 grams of protein plus B vitamins for energy metabolism. Steam gently for 5 minutes, drizzle with lemon juice, and you have a bright, muscle-friendly side dish. People who add a serving of peas 3 times a week often notice steadier afternoon energy and fewer cramps, tiny proof that circulation is improving. Vegetable number 5. Broccoli, for cell protection. Broccoli is the body's cleanup crew. Its rich sulforaphane content activates enzymes that clear out damaged cells so new muscle fibers can grow. Steam for 4 minutes, no longer, or the delicate compounds vanish. Pair it with foods high in healthy fats such as salmon or tofu to increase absorption of vitamin K. People who eat broccoli 3 times a week burn more calories at rest and recover faster after activity. It's renewal at the cellular level. Let's pause for a quick check-in. So far we've covered 1 spinach for blood flow, 2 kale for calcium and bone support, 3 lentils for repair, 4 green peas for circulation, 5 broccoli for cellular renewal. Notice how each food complements the others: greens, legumes, and crucifers working in quiet harmony. Consistency is the secret ingredient. These nutrients rebuild only when they arrive day after day. Vegetable number 6. Asparagus for recovery and detox. Asparagus supports the body's cleanup system. It contains glutathione, the antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals before they can damage muscle cells. As we age, glutathione levels drop, leading to longer soreness after activity. 1 cup of asparagus daily can begin to reverse that trend. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Tender centers, crisp tips. Sprinkle with sea salt or a hint of lemon zest for brightness. Eat it alongside a source of healthy fat, and the next morning you'll feel that subtle reward, relaxed muscles and steady joints. Vegetable number 7. Brussels sprouts for balance and bone integrity. Tiny cabbages, mighty results. Brussels sprouts provide protein, vitamin C for collagen, and vitamin K2 to connect bone and muscle. Slice in half, roast until golden, and toss with a drizzle of balsamic. Their natural sweetness curbs cravings for processed snacks that sabotage muscle maintenance. In long-term studies, adults who ate cruciferous vegetables like sprouts every day maintained 19% more grip strength than those who didn't. Small bites, measurable gains. Vegetable number 8. Lima beans for magnesium and calm strength. Lima beans carry an often overlooked mineral, magnesium, the element that controls how every muscle fiber contracts and relaxes. When levels drop, we feel cramps, twitching, or sleepless legs. 1 cup of cooked Lima beans provides nearly a quarter of the daily requirement, plus resistant starch that feeds healthy gut bacteria, helping the body absorb even more minerals from food. Simmer pre-soaked beans for about 40 minutes until tender and buttery. Season simply with olive oil, rosemary, and a pinch of black pepper. A week of regular servings can bring deeper sleep, calmer nerves, and smoother motion. It's the quiet strength of balance returning. Vegetable number 9. Edamame for complete plant protein. Edamame, the young soybean, is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. That includes leucine, the amino acid that switches on muscle growth. A single cup offers 12 grams of protein with little fat or starch. Boil for 5 minutes, drain, and sprinkle lightly with sea salt. Research from Harvard School of Public Health found older adults who ate soy foods several times a week retained more lean mass than those who relied only on animal protein. Edamame is ideal after a short walk or light strength routine. It delivers amino acids right when muscles need the most. Vegetable number 10. Sweet corn for sustained energy. Sweet corn closes our list, bringing slow-release carbohydrates and B vitamins that turn protein into usable fuel. It isn't just sugar on a cob, it's energy that keeps muscle cells firing. Grill or steam the kernels until bright yellow. Combine with diced bell pepper and edamame for a simple recovery salad. Together, corn and soy form a perfect amino acid partnership. One provides methionine, the other lysine, creating a balanced protein that rivals any powder. When eaten alongside leafy greens, corn transforms an ordinary meal into muscle nourishment from start to finish. Let's review the complete lineup. 1 spinach, blood flow and oxygen delivery. 2 kale, calcium and framework strength. 3 lentils, repair and protein density. 4 green peas, circulation and steady energy. 5 broccoli, cellular protection. 6 asparagus, recovery and detox. 7 Brussels sprouts, balance and bone integrity. 8 lima beans, magnesium and calm strength. 9 edamame, complete protein. 10 sweet corn, long-lasting energy. 10 simple foods, 1 powerful message. Consistency builds capability. These ingredients don't just feed muscles, they support the heart, bones, and mind that guide those muscles every day. Now, how to combine them? Building balanced meals. Knowing the list is step 1, using it daily is where the results begin. Here's an easy pattern to follow. Breakfast, spinach omelet with a handful of corn kernels or peas. Lunch, lentil and kale soup served with roasted broccoli. Snack, a small bowl of edamame or lima beans drizzled with olive oil. Dinner, grilled salmon or tofu beside asparagus and Brussels sprouts. This pattern covers complete protein, antioxidants, and minerals across the day. The goal isn't restriction, it's rhythm. Your body responds to steady nourishment more than occasional feasts. Hydration and absorption. Muscle renewal depends on hydration. Water transports the nutrients these vegetables provide, while fiber keeps digestion efficient. Aim for half a glass of water with every meal and another between meals. Add slices of cucumber or lemon if plain water feels dull. For those taking medication, space vegetables rich in vitamin K, like kale and broccoli, away from blood thinners unless a doctor approves changes. Awareness keeps nutrition safe and effective. Lifestyle habits that amplify results. Food works best when paired with gentle movement. Try 10 minutes of walking after each meal. This lowers blood sugar and channels amino acids into muscle tissue. 2 or 3 sessions of light resistance, using bodyweight, bands, or small dumbbells, stimulate new fibers to grow. The combination of movement and vegetables doubles the benefit. Sleep is the third pillar. During deep sleep, the body converts plant protein into new tissue. 7 to 8 hours per night are worth more than any supplement. Mindset and consistency. Building muscle after 60 is not about chasing youth, it's about sustaining independence. Every time you lift a fork filled with spinach or lentils, you're voting for more active years ahead. Celebrate small signs of progress. Rising from a chair without support. Walking an extra block. Waking with more energy. Strength returns quietly, one meal at a time. At Seniors Health Guide, we remind viewers that health isn't a finish line. It's a daily conversation between what you eat, how you move, and how you rest. Putting it all together. 30-day plan. Here's a simple starter plan. Week 1. Add spinach to breakfast and lentils to lunch. Week 2. Introduce kale and peas. Week 3. Rotate broccoli, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts for dinner. Week 4. Include Lima beans, edamame, and corn as snacks or sides. By the end of 30 days, your body's nutrient stores will be refilled, inflammation calmer, and energy steadier. Take a short note each week, how your body feels, how your balance improves. Tracking progress keeps motivation alive. Muscle is more than tissue, it's the framework of independence, confidence, and joy. These 10 vegetables offer a simple promise: nourishment that respects age while restoring capability. At Seniors Health Guide, we've seen countless viewers thrive by choosing real food over quick fixes. Now it's your turn. Open your pantry, your fridge, or your garden. Pick one of these vegetables and make it part of today's meal. Do it again tomorrow, and again the day after. Because strong years aren't found in bottles, they grow from the ground, one seed and one meal at a time. Thank you for spending this hour with Seniors Health Guide. Stay strong, eat smart, and we'll see you in the next episode.